Hey y'all, Wild Kyle here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm with Rob with the channel Michigan Rocks. His channel is linked in the description below and in the pinned comment, so be sure to go subscribe to him and check out his awesome adventures up in Michigan. But he's down in Florida with me today, and I've taken him to a little creek here where we're going to do some shark tooth hunting and surface collecting today. But we don't have a ton of time today, kind of just a little half day, a couple hours here in the morning. So we're going to do what we can. I don't expect insane fossils, but we are going to find some cool shark teeth and get Rob some of his first Miocene age shark teeth from Florida. We also have some trash bags with us. These creeks are a little bit disgusting, and so we're going to fill up a couple trash bags while we're here as well. But I think it's going to be a fun, relaxing adventure no matter what. Let's go see what we can find. Well, I got Rob going through a spooky tunnel here. You can probably hear the reverberation of my voice. Very nice. We're on the hunt for the fossils today. So we're going to go through this tunnel out to the other side and hopefully find some cool stuff. And hopefully not get eaten by something while we're in here. I don't exactly know if this is like safe. As you can see, this is some disgusting, I think it's just the stuff they piece this bridge together with. I don't know, maybe it's weird chemical growths. It's definitely water dripping. Look at that stuff, yum. Anyone want a taste of that?
Stalactite there.
That is a stalactite. We're in a cave. Oh, this is wild. I wonder if there's ever bats in here. I bet there's bats in here sometimes. Ooh, it's weird in here. And in the summer, there's big old spiders. Luckily, it's cold. All right, my friends. Looks like we've made it. We're on the other side, and it's a beautiful jungle over here, isn't it? Palm trees and all. It isn't much, but there's the first fossil of the day. Oop, a little partial stingray grinding plate. Pretty color, but we want to get some shark teeth, so let's keep walking. So this right here is the Miocene aged clay. This is around probably 5 to 10 million years old. This is where the shark teeth and other fossils erode out of this clay and get settled in the creek bed over time. And it's basically the ancient ocean floor that you're looking at, which is pretty awesome in my opinion. All right, there, just found our first little shark tooth. Stingray grinding plate. Oh, that is a little bone fragment, it looks like, Rob.
Okay.
Here, take this stuff, throw them in your pocket. Also, are you still filming?
I'm not.
Turn your camera on, because there's a pretty tooth right here. Look at that little bull shark tooth. You see it? Right there?
I do not see it. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Ooh.
When you point right to it, I see it real well.
That one's pretty. Look at the color on that.
Yeah, that is cool.
That's awesome. Sweet. Rob had to throw his glasses on. The little teeth. There's a little... I'm the bottle guy. Here's a little bottle. Let's take a look. Oh, it's plastic. Maybe we should throw that in the bag. We brought some trash bags to do, or maybe we can set it to the side and pick it up on the way back. There's no shortage of trash in here, as you can see, and we're going to fill up some trash bags on the way out of here. Get some of it out. There we go. A very, very nice stingray. And I just broke it. Oh gosh. It was a nice stingray grinding plate. The whole piece of one. That's sad. I broke it in half because it's nice, pretty condition. Oh well.
Still looks cool.
Still cool. Dang. This is kind of crazy. Look at that vine growing around that like root right there sticking out. It's kind of neat looking. These are kind of pretty looking down there too. And then there's some weird whatever growth that is in the water. Check that out. Don't drink that. All right. Rob found his first shark tooth right there. I saw it first, actually, but I said, I'm going to wait for you to pick it up.
It was kind of like warmer.
So that's good. And there is more right here. I saw another one, a broken one right down here. Y'all in the comments, let me know if you see it. You probably do, because I'm zooming in on it right there. You see it, Rob? It's right over here. It's broken.
Oh, yeah.
That guy. Broken lemon shark tooth. Would have been pretty color, though. Look at that.
Yeah.
Pretty blue. But he's missing it. And then over on this corner, I saw one too. And it's actually a pretty cool tooth. You see it? I'm going to wait for Rob to see it.
You might be waiting for a while.
So it's right in this general area. and it's got a very interesting shape.
Not that one.
Nope, it's black.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, there you go.
Little slow on these.
That's a really nice tiger shark tooth, though. That's a cool one.
Boy, they are sharp.
Yeah, that one's got a wicked curve to it too.
Yeah.
Cool. One of my favorite things about these creeks is how just prehistoric they look. Look at all the ferns on the bank. I feel like a T-Rex could just run out at us at any moment.
Oh, no.
Or a velociraptor. Or a pterodactyl come flying by.
Dude, I was worried about gators.
Yeah, and there's Rob, I forgot to tell you there's dinosaurs here. Not gators. We don't have to worry about them. Dinosaurs though, maybe. Yeah, this is a pretty massive log jam, and oh my gosh, look at all that trash. That'll be, you can fill the whole trash bag right in one spot, which is really sad, which we'll have to do on the way out of here. Now we're walking on this tree out. Deep on both sides, let's not fall. All right, let's jump down here. I don't know the name of these mushrooms, but if any of y'all know, let me know in the comments. They are pretty, especially with the water behind them like that. Look at that. It's a nice sight. They are really cool looking mushrooms, and they're growing all over this tree right here.
Taste one.
You want me to taste one? I can do that.
No, not really.
I'm not going to do it. Just kidding. For a second there, Rob was getting his first taste of the Florida quicksand. It was sinking up to his knees right in that spot. So I'm gonna jump up this, and I'm gonna go right here. Kind of ease my way around without falling, hopefully. All right, anybody need a pallet? So right here, there's a decent amount of gravel, and I brought this little vegetable grilling tray we can sit with, so maybe we'll try and take a couple scoops right here and see if it's gonna be a productive spot.
We'll take a little look at it.
Oh, nice. That's a pretty good amount of gravel. Nothing. So right here is a pretty insane clay bank. Actually, look how tall that goes. You might not be able to tell scale. Maybe if I step back and show Rob with it, he'll be able to get an idea of scale. That's a very tall bank for a small little creek like that. But all that clay is exposed, the ancient ocean bottom. And I think maybe I might try and fill a couple screens right there and see if there's any fossils in that clay that have maybe eroded out. And in the distance, you might hear children yelling loudly. I don't know what's up there, but hopefully it's safe. So there was a couple little pretty teeth in that spot right over there. But I think we're going to keep going. That was all kind of clay. We need to find some gravel to look in. But pretty teeth. All right, we're going to begin picking up some of this trash because there's two cans that sit right there, and they definitely don't belong there.
They're full.
They're full of sand and stuff. Maybe a shark tooth in there.
Maybe.
What is that? What was that drink?
I don't think it's Milwaukee's best anymore.
No, it's Milwaukee's worst now. All right.
Video this one.
Let's start throwing some of this in here. Oh, gosh. The Capri Sun. Whoa. Snapple.
Trash. Oh, we both are.
Yep, we're filling up this bag. Gross. And I bet the total of picking up trash and putting it in that bag is about 2 minutes. Like, and it's already that full. I mean, you could never put a dent in this. It's insane. All right, time to fill this bag of trash right here. Probably in this one spot because there's enough trash to do it right here, which is ridiculous. Oh God, somebody didn't finish their fruit juice.
Fruit juice?
Whatever that is, or blood. I'll put that. That one's weird. I don't know if we should dump that out in the creek. Or, I don't know what to do with that.
Yeah, we can carry it out.
Seems wrong.
Yeah, I don't think we should dump it.
What's this can? Anybody need fuel and oil? What do you know? How long did that take? How long has this clip been running? 2 minutes and 13 seconds. 2 minutes and 13 seconds to fill up a trash bag full of trash in one little spot. And we could fill up a whole other one. But we only have these 2 trash bags, so I guess we did our deed for the day. Alright, here's some other mushrooms I'd like an ID on. What's that funky thing? Those are pretty strange looking, aren't they? I'm sure they feel weird. I don't want to touch it though. Those are weird mushrooms. They're kind of cool. Look at the little tiny ones right there. Weird little guys. Yeah, if any of y'all know. Oh, look at them up here. Those are some really funky, cool looking mushrooms. Neato. I bet y'all didn't know they had plastic trees in Florida. Look how ripe this one is. Tasty. I bet that got washed up there when it flooded. Stuff gets pushed up really high. Well, the bag's full, but I'm gonna at least throw it in the bag, stuff it down in there. So we're back at a spot where we found a couple on the surface earlier. That nice tiger shark tooth was right there. And I did a little scoop in the screen, and there was like 5 little shark teeth in there. And that bull shark tooth is not bad right there. So we're gonna fill up a couple more little scoops right here and see what happens. Let's fill a scoop right here. Ooh, that's cold. Well, there's a little tooth right there. Here, don't put those in your pocket yet. Show them to the camera right here if you can. We'll hold them down there. Look at all those little teeth that were right there in that scoop. That was a lot. That's cool.
Good scoop.
All right, you want to do one more?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's do at least one more. All right, that's a big scoop right there.
Maybe some winners in here, I can just tell.
Oh, God, look at that one. I'm gonna show that over here. Look at that bull shark tooth right there.
We're doing dual videos.
Yeah, it's probably funny looking on there. That's a nice one. That's wild. Here, bring those down here.
Will do.
Check these out now. Look at that. Oops. Oh God, that was another great scoop right there. That's awesome. Cool. Well, we found a few shark teeth and a lot of trash. As you can see, we filled these 2 bags right here. But it was a fun day out in the creek, no matter what. We found some cool fossils and did a little bit of cleaning up while we were at it as well. So don't forget to check out Rob's channel, which is all linked in the description below, pinned comment, all that good stuff. There should be a video of his showing up at the end of this video too, somewhere on the screen that you can click on to watch as well. Thanks guys for hanging out with us today. I'll see y'all in the next video.